We're back in the office and realized we forgot to get Brittney's cake. It's Brittney's birthday. And so we walked in and was like, Stella, shh! Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm so tired, y'all. Last night was the 27th night and I got no sleep, so it's Monday and I need to get my butt in gear. Every Monday I'm doing the Name That print. This is tomorrow's print, one of 6 that will go on the website. Isn't it so pretty? I love this print. Anyway, so I'm gonna do this and then I gotta head to the office. I am so late, it's like almost noon. Happy birthday, Brittney. It is your birthday. How old are you?
I'm 23.
Oh my god, you're so old, dude. What are you gonna do with yourself?
I don't know.
What are you doing?
I'm sewing these flowers on to the ethereal ivory. So those are very much hand sewn on.
Selva's wearing a Honda sweatshirt for no good reason today. It's so random. Yeah, for real. I brought her a pair of jeans today and she's so cute. She went and immediately tried them on and kept them on.
They're perfect. They're cropped. But for me, they're perfect.
That's why I gave them to you. Because they're just perfect on you. You're so cute, I die. Ahmed joined the party because we're the cool table. Oh, I bet Insha wants to come in and get in on the action. How does it feel to be married to somebody who's better looking than you? Look at you.
I don't know, how does it feel?
Oh! Burn! Such a mess. Erin gave me her sunglasses. They're actually really cute.
Whoa, what's going on? I'm a mess too.
Yeah, we're both just a mess. I'm wearing the Georgette in Mink, my fave. So Sedwa and I came to South Street Seaport. I always call the South Side Seaport for some reason, like a dummy.
Me and Erin had a date here.
Yeah, I know. Where did you guys go?
Taco place, but they're super expensive.
Oh, okay. That's what happens when you walk around with a professional photographer. People want photos. I don't blame them. It's a beautiful day. The sun was amazing. Oh my god, this is the cutest photo ever. What a beautiful family. So anyways, now we gotta go to Whole Foods and we'll pick up the cake. Get my wallet ready. Sun was holding all my crap. What do you think, Selwa? Oh, look at these. Oh, these are for kids.
Yeah, those are ugly.
Yeah, totes. Too bad I can't even eat any of this. Mission accomplished.
Imagine I dropped it carrying it like this.
No, I don't even want to imagine.
Is that an avocado?
Avocado! Yes, it is an avocado. We're gonna take Brittney off the scent. Put John or Anne. That's a good one.
Alec.
Okay, Alec. Alright, let's stick it in. Oh my god, is that birthday chicken? What the hell?
Oh my god, I know.
How is birthday chicken still in there?
Haram, right?
Yeah.
Spend money on that.
So today is Brittney's birthday. This is Erin, by the way. Today's Brittney's birthday and we're gonna have a little celebration here in the office. But first we're gonna tell her that there's something really urgent and performance related.
Oh, it's beautiful. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, they did such a good job. So,
this is seriously torture for the majority of our team.
I can't have any of this.
She just needs a whiff to tide her over to Lift Bod.
Yeah.
Oh, happy birthday, Brittney.
Happy birthday, Brittney. Beautiful.
Wow, you just keep going. That fire is gonna just right into your thumb.
Oh,
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Brittney. Happy birthday to you.
What did you think was happening?
It's your birthday, of course. I told him not to freak you out too much.
I didn't even do much, you guys. All I said was like, are you busy?
Literally
I need
crying.
you right
I'm
now.
dying. Yay! That's so sweet. I'm dying. Love you, Brittney.
Am I allowed to cut it?
Yeah, cut it, girl. We're waiting.
Oh.
Salam. Ooh, Ahmed. Look at how nice and clean this room is. How clean the bathroom is. Yes. Oh, don't look there. Look at how beautiful the view is at night. I don't think we appreciate this enough. So pretty. All right, guys, time to pray Tarawih. Right, Daisy girls? Tarawih. So annoying. All right, guys, we'll see you tomorrow. Oh my God, there's like 3 more days of fasting. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. 3 more days of fasting. This is crazy. Ahmed, isn't this insane?
It's pretty insane.
It's pretty insane. All right, guys, we'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Salam.
Salam.